An IVC filter is a medical device that is designed to prevent pulmonary embolism by catching blood clots that may be traveling through your bloodstream. The device is shaped like a spider with multiple legs that are intended to capture the traveling blood clots. Studies have indicated that retrievable IVC filters have caused multiple types of adverse events. The filters can tilt, fracture, or even migrate inside your body. One study showed that 40% of a particular brand of IVC filters fractured after 5.5 years. When a leg of a filter fractures, it is susceptible to travel up the bloodstream and potentially puncture an organ or another vital part of the body. Another study found that 100% of filters produced by a separate manufacturer perforated the inferior vena cava after just 71 days. Perforation of the IVC can potentially lead to adverse events such as internal bleeding. On 2 occasions, once in 2010 and again in 2014, the FDA announced that it has received reports of adverse events and product problems associated with IVC filters. In fact, the FDA even noted that some of the events led to adverse clinical outcomes. Adverse clinical outcomes from IVC filters include severe injuries and even death. In response to those reports, the FDA recommended that retrievable IVC filters be removed as soon as possible after being implanted in the patient. Despite that communication from the FDA, the drug companies that manufacture IVC filters continue to tell physicians that removal of the devices is optional. If you or someone you love has had an IVC filter implanted and have suffered an injury related to that filter, you should seek legal advice to determine if you have a claim. We at Levin Papantonio have a long and storied history of taking on drug and medical device manufacturers, and we want to help you. If you believe that you or a loved one has suffered an injury relating to an IVC filter, please give me a call so that I may evaluate your case. You can reach me at 1-800-277-1193.